The only words I have for these cupcakes are that they're rich and comforting. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make these easy and delicious carrot cake cupcakes. Let's get started. To a bowl, you're going to add a 1¼ cup of white sugar, 1 cup of oil, 3 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Stir that until everything is thoroughly mixed together. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. Next, I'm going to add 2 cups of flour, 1½ teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and ½ teaspoon of salt. Take your spatula and mix the spices in with the flour a little bit, and then you're going to mix everything together really well, but don't overmix it. Make sure to scrape down the side of your bowl. To that, I'm going to add 2 cups of shredded carrots, and that's about ½ pound of carrots. And the very last thing is ½ cup of chopped walnuts. Mix that in. I love this recipe so much because it's just easy to make and it just tastes so good. If you've never had carrot cake before, you don't taste the carrots in there, I promise you. You don't even know you're eating carrots until you look at it and see it. Here I have my lined muffin tin, and I'm just going to fill each one 3/4 of the way up. I like using my ice cream scoop to do this because it just makes it easy. In total, I got 21 cupcakes, but I think you can get 24 out of it if you put a little less in each one. Put this in a preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven and bake it for 20 minutes. To check if your cupcakes are done, you're going to take a toothpick and insert it in the center, and if it comes out clean, it's finished. I'm going to take them out and set them on my wire rack to cool, and you want them to cool down completely before you frost them. Okay, let's make the cream cheese frosting for the cupcakes. To a bowl, I'm going to add 8 ounces of softened cream cheese and 4 tablespoons of softened butter. You want to make sure your butter and cream cheese is softened at room temperature. Take your electric mixer and beat that until it's mixed together. Next, you're going to add some powdered sugar to that. I'm adding 4 cups total, but I'm adding 1 cup at a time and beat it in. And I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I love cream cheese frosting, but again, I love anything with cream cheese. Just make sure to scrape down your bowl in between. Because I'm going to make some carrots to put on top, I'm going to take out a little bit of frosting and set aside. So I'm going to make some green and some orange for the carrots. When it's time to put your frosting in your bag, take your bag and set it in a glass and fold it over the glass. So when you put your frosting in the bag, the glass is holding the bag for you, and that just makes it easy. To make the orange frosting, you're going to need 12 drops of yellow food coloring, and 2 drops of red, then mix that together. For the green, I'm doing 8 drops of green food coloring. I'm going to decorate these. Now, I'm not very good at decorating, so these are not going to look perfect, so I'm just doing the best I can. And you know, the more you do it, the better you are at it, but I just don't decorate cupcakes or cake or anything much to have much practice. So, you know, every time I do this, I get so nervous because I feel like now everybody is watching me, and then I feel like I can't do it. Like, I feel like I got the hang of it at the very end. You know, my carrots were carroting at the end. Everything looked so good, but then the camera stopped rolling, so you didn't get to see me make a really pretty one. And for some reason, the lighting was off, and we didn't realize that until we were finished, because in person the colors were so vibrant and pretty, but when you're videoing, sometimes you don't see it until afterwards. But it was really pretty in person, just so you know. When I was making the carrots, I told my husband that these are organic carrots because, you know, they don't look perfect. I mean, they made me laugh just thinking about how some of them look, but you know what? It's not how it looks, right? It's how it tastes. These might not look perfect, but they taste perfect. They're so soft and moist and tender, and they just have that warm, cozy flavor. In my opinion, carrot cake cupcakes are everything. I really hope you give this recipe a try. You're not going to regret it. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye. Oh, I think at the very end, my husband said he figured out the lighting. Not only that, but my carrot looked better.